Hello friends, once again welcome to the channel. This is Arun here. Today in this video we are going to discuss the complete recruitment process of programmer analyst trainee in Cognizant in 2021. So every year Cognizant is recruiting for the post of programmer analyst trainee from various campuses across India. So this is one of the very good opportunity for the freshers to get placed in a top MNC. In this video we are going to discuss in detail about the rounds of interview, the packages offered by the company, and the syllabuses for the written examinations and the rounds of interview, etc. etc. This is a very good opportunity for freshers, and it is one of the topmost IT companies in India. As you already know, check step-by-step procedure for how to get placed in a top IT company. Okay, we can. So, okay, friends. So we can discuss the complete recruitment process for the post of programmer analyst trainee in Cognizant Technology Solutions. So CTS is an American multinational corporation that provides custom information technology, consulting, and business process outsourcing services. Originally founded as an in-house technology unit of Dun & Bradstreet in 1994, Cognizant started serving external clients in 1996. CTS is a dream company for almost all engineers. Thus, it is a company that hundreds of students apply to all across the world. It is important for you to be aware of the Cognizant recruitment process before you attend the drive. So, what are the recruitment process? What are the syllabus? Everything we are going to discuss in detail. And what are the salary offered for freshers in Cognizant? As of now, fresher salary is 3.3 to 3.6 lakhs on an average, but now it is increased to rupees 4 lakh per year approximately. Then we can move to check the eligibility criteria. So BE, BTech, MTech, MS from the departments CITE, CEEE, Applied Electronics, Computer Science and Technology, Electrical, ETE, ICE, Software Engineering and Mechanical Engineering. Then consistent academic record of a minimum of 60% in 10th, 12th and diploma, UG and PG. And no standing areas in current education. Maximum of 2 years gap in education is allowed. Any student who have applied or writing for reevaluation would be considered only with the initial result declared. Appropriate CGPA to conversion to be based as per the university norm. Strong written and communication skill. Open only to Indian nationals. Flexible to relocate anywhere in India. Work in any shift or domain. So these are the basic eligibility criteria for the post of programmer analyst trainee in Cognizant Technology Solutions. So then we can move to the written examination. That is, the first round will be a written examination. So these are the pattern for written examination. First round, there will be 4 sessions: quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, verbal ability and automatic cognitive. Quantitative aptitude 16 questions, 60 minutes. Logical reasoning 24 questions, 35 minutes. And verbal 22 questions, 18 minutes. And automata fix 7 questions and 20 minutes. This automata fix is nothing but programming, pseudo coding, something like. So second and third round will be technical interview and HR round. So these are the syllabus for written examination from quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, verbal ability and automata fix. Okay, so this is a non-commonly familiar to you, these topics. Basic aptitude, quantitative aptitude, time and work, ratio, proportions, profit and loss, time, speed, distance, percentages, etc. And logical reasoning, data arrangements, blood relations, analogy, coding, decoding, odd man out, data sufficiency, etc. And when it comes to verbal ability, reading comprehension, para jumble, sentence completion, etc., etc., vocabulary. When it comes to automata fix, logical error corrections, like that. So these are the syllabus for the written examination in Cognizant Technology Solutions. So once you clear the first round will be an elimination round. Once you clear the first round, you will be moved to the following rounds, that is technical and HR round. Technical interview will be there, and once you clear the technical interview, final interview is HR round. In HR round, they will be asking general questions like that. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you.